that time of the year again where the town is painted pink for the whole month of October in celebration of breast cancer awareness.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor to officially launch here in Cebu ICanServe Foundation's You Can Do This, the Breast Cancer Patients Manual. Let's count down from 5 to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Among the activities held for this month-long event was the launching of ICanServe Foundation Incorporated's You Can Do This Patient Manual in 3 different languages, namely English, Tagalog, and Visayan. The manual aims to serve as a comprehensive guide for breast cancer patients, survivors, and caregivers on their journey to wellness.
We are launching another book. A better one, if I may say. And again, for survivors, by survivors, guided by experts in the field of breast cancer care. We claim to be a sisterhood like no other. Well, this is a book like no other.
The 106-page manual is free to download through ICanServe Foundation's website and is divided into 5 parts that tackle detection and screening, treatment, survivorship, palliative care, and other issues such as funding sources.
So all of these are things that is not general information, but survivors or people who have cancer in their lives will have to familiarize themselves with these words. No? And then I personally think it's a big deal that we have Life Beyond Cancer about survivorship. There are two parts here that we included that were not in the original volume. Number 1, it's about mental health. And the other thing is palliative care.
Aside from the manual, free consultations are also being held every Tuesdays and Thursdays of October from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. at the Pink Room of the SM Malls.
So it doesn't mean na once you have a relative na with breast cancer, you will automatically get it. No? In fact, most of the diagnoses for breast cancer are sporadic. Ibig sabihin, meaning wala siya hereditary nga risk, no? So it doesn't mean again nga automatic magkaroon. But if you have, say, several first-degree relatives, no, who has had, then might as well go to your healthcare provider, your physician, and they will be talking to you about your genetic risks. So there are tests that we do.
Another upcoming event for Pink October is the Stronger Than Cancer Dance Fitness Expo, happening on October 29, 2023, featuring celebrity dance instructor Wowie de Guzman, who was unable to hold back his tears upon listening to the stories of the survivors, as his mother-in-law also battled breast cancer.
Kaya ako nakapag-Zumba, nakapunta dito because siya yung nag-aalag ng isip na. So, nararamdaman po kayo because kasama po niya ako nung time na nag-struggle siya. And kaya malapit po itong event na to sa akin because kahit na ganun yung experience yung nangyayari sa kanya, siya yung nag-aalaga sa anak ko for the past 9 years. And I'm very thankful because hindi ko magagawa yung makapunta sa Qatar, makapunta dito sa Cebu, pumunta bukas sa Ormoc at pumunta sa Bukidnon the next day. Hindi natin sa kanya. So, kumbaga, na-experience ko rin po yung kinukwento nyo, kaya ngayon ko lang na-realize, puyat pa, so emotional. So,
to all the breast cancer survivors or those who are newly diagnosed, we want you to know that you will never be alone in your journey, that we are in this together. So we want to serve as your lifeline, especially those women living in fear.
The event aims to raise 200,000 pesos for the beneficiaries of ICanServe Foundation to help them provide free mammograms and breast ultrasounds to indigent patients.
We have already reached 1,600 participants, so we're able to give ICanServe Foundation 80,000 for the fundraiser. So we are actually aiming for 200,000 fundraise. So we are targeting 4,000 with Cebu and Bohol.
We are here to make your families whole. We want to save your mother, your sister, your grandmother, or your girlfriend. Breast cancer is the most treatable form of cancer if detected earlier. So when we hear the news that someone dies from breast cancer, then we say it was detected late. So please, this October, our hospitals and diagnostic centers are one with us in giving discounts for mammography and breast ultrasound.